Have you ever wondered how our tiny blue planet survived billions of years of chaos? Join me on a journey through 4.5 billion years of Earth's incredible history, from a fiery, molten world to the lush paradise we call home today. Earth is the only known world to harbor life, but it wasn't always this way. Our planet's journey began in chaos, forged by fire and cosmic violence. From catastrophic impacts to ice ages, Earth's story is one of transformation. To understand who we are, we must look back to the very birth of our world. Our story begins in a swirling nebula, remnants of an exploded star. Gravity pulled this cosmic debris together, igniting the birth of the sun. Earth formed as a young, molten sphere, bombarded by asteroids and comets. A Mars-sized body named Theia struck Earth, creating the moon and tilting its axis. As the planet cooled, volcanic gases blanketed the sky, and rain fell for the first time. In those vast oceans, something miraculous began to happen. Around 3.8 billion years ago, life sparked in shallow seas rich with minerals. Simple microorganisms formed, becoming Earth's first inhabitants. Then, cyanobacteria changed everything by releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. This event triggered Earth's first great ice age, known as Snowball Earth. As ice melted, continents drifted and collided, forming supercontinents. By 600 million years ago, multicellular organisms emerged in ancient seas. Then came the Cambrian explosion, a burst of life that saw the rise of complex animals. Trilobites and corals ruled the ocean depths, marking a golden age of life. But nature is never still. Around 440 million years ago, a sudden freeze wiped out much of ocean life. Yet from loss came renewal, as plants conquered land and forests blanketed the continents. Then came the Permian mass extinction, known as the Great Dying, where over 90% of species vanished. From the ashes of extinction rose a new world ruled by dinosaurs, a paradise in motion. But around 66 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck, ending the age of dinosaurs. In the quiet after the storm, mammals diversified, and early humans began to walk upright. We learned to use tools, control fire, and tell stories, marking the rise of humanity. But our progress came with a price, reshaping the Earth's surface and climate. Now, we stand at a turning point, facing rising temperatures and vanishing species. History shows that every imbalance comes with a reckoning, but also with renewal. Our planet has endured 5 mass extinctions. Will humanity cause the 6th or prevent it? From fire to water, Earth's history is a story of endless rebirth and transformation. Every disaster became a catalyst for evolution, opening doors to new life. As we gaze upon our fragile world, one truth becomes clear. Earth has no reset button. Its story is still being written, and we hold the pen for the next chapter. Let's ensure it's one of balance, not destruction, for the future of our planet.